Did you know that getting through airport security with medications can be difficult? But with a little planning, you can avoid that last-minute panic. Packing medication for travel in 2025 can seem overwhelming, especially with all the rules and regulations. It's crucial to stay organized and plan ahead to ensure you have everything you need. In today's video, we are covering some major tips on how to pack medication for travel in 2025. Welcome to Travelvette, your ultimate destination for travel hacks and expert advice. If you're eager to stay updated with the latest tips and insights on all things travel, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Join our community and embark on your next adventure with us. Let's jump in. When traveling, always pack your medications in your carry-on instead of checked luggage. This ensures easy access during flights and layovers, helping you take them on schedule, especially for those with chronic conditions. Keeping medications with you minimizes the risk of loss or damage that can occur with checked bags, which is vital for those reliant on essential medications. Use a dedicated pouch or a clear resealable bag for organization and easier security checks. It's also wise to bring a copy of your prescriptions and a list of your medications, including dosages. This can be helpful if you need medical assistance or refills while traveling. If going abroad, check the regulations regarding medications in your destination country. Having your medications in your carry-on makes inspections easier. In summary, packing medications in your carry-on is a practical way to manage your health needs while traveling, ensuring peace of mind and allowing you to enjoy your trip. Start by gathering all your prescription and over-the-counter medications, including vitamins and supplements. Make a detailed list that includes medication name. Write down the exact name, including both brand and generic names for clarity. Dosage information. Include the dosage, for example, 500 milligrams, and form, such as tablet or liquid, for each medication. Administration instructions. Note specifics, such as whether the medication should be taken with food or at certain times of the day. Prescribing doctor's information. Include the name and contact information of the prescribing healthcare provider for any consultations while traveling. Refill information. If applicable, note the number of refills remaining on each prescription for additional medication if needed. Emergency contacts. Add contacts who are aware of your health conditions and can assist if necessary. Travel-specific considerations. If traveling across time zones, plan how to adjust your medication schedule accordingly. Once your list is complete, review it to ensure you haven't missed any medications. This list will help you pack and serve as a reference in emergencies. Lastly, consider making a digital copy to store on your phone or in a secure cloud service for easy access. Taking the time to create this list is an essential step in ensuring your health while traveling. First, check prescription requirements. Next, verify that you have sufficient medication for the entire duration of your trip, along with a bit of extra supply to account for any unexpected delays or changes in your travel plans. It's wise to pack more than you think you'll need, just in case. If you're traveling internationally, be sure to research the legality of your medications in your destination country. Some countries have strict regulations regarding certain medications, and being informed can help you avoid potential issues at customs. Taking these precautions will ensure a smoother travel experience and help you maintain your health while away from home. Always pack your medications in their original pharmacy containers, ensuring that the labels remain intact. This practice is essential for several reasons. First, it helps prevent any confusion about what each medication is, especially if you need to take them while traveling or if someone else must administer them for you. The original labels provide critical information, including the medication name, dosage, and prescribing doctor, which can be crucial in case of an emergency. Moreover, keeping medications in their original containers is often a requirement when going through customs. Customs officials may need to verify that you are carrying legally obtained medications, and having the original labels facilitates this process, making it easier for authorities to identify your medications quickly. Additionally, if you encounter any issues with your prescriptions while traveling, Having the original containers can help you explain your situation to healthcare providers or pharmacists more effectively. To further enhance organization, consider grouping similar medications together and ensuring that each container is securely closed to prevent spills. Following this guideline will not only keep your medications safe, but also provide peace of mind throughout your journey. When it comes to managing daily medications, using a pill organizer can be incredibly beneficial. A pill organizer helps keep your medications neatly sorted and easily accessible, making it simpler to stay on track with your dosing schedule while you're on the go. Choose a pill organizer that suits your needs. There are options with separate compartments for each day of the week, or even for different times of the day, such as morning, afternoon, and evening doses. This way you can pre-fill your organizer before your trip, ensuring that you take the right dosage at the right time without any confusion or hassle. Additionally, having your medications organized in this manner can significantly reduce the risk of accidentally missing a dose or taking the wrong medication, especially in the hustle and bustle of travel. If you're traveling to different time zones, a pill organizer can also help you adjust your medication schedule more easily. When selecting a pill organizer, consider one that is compact and travel-friendly, ideally with a secure lid to prevent any spills in your bag. It's also a good idea to keep your pill organizer alongside your medication list, so you have all the necessary information at hand in case you need to consult a healthcare professional during your travels. By taking this simple yet effective step, you can ensure that managing your medications while traveling is as stress-free as possible. Traveling with liquid medications? The TSA has specific guidelines to ensure safety while accommodating travelers' health needs. Here are the key points to keep in mind. Quantity. You are allowed to bring liquid medications in quantities greater than 3.4 ounces, or 100 milliliters. There is no limit on the amount of liquid medication you can bring, as long as it is necessary for your trip. Declaration. At the security checkpoint, you must declare your liquid medications to the TSA officer. It's a good idea to keep them easily accessible in your carry-on bag so you can present them quickly. Original packaging. Keep your liquid medications in their original containers with labels intact. This helps TSA agents identify the medications and verify that they are prescribed to you. Screening liquid medications will be screened separately from other items. Be prepared for them to be placed in a bin for X-ray screening. If you have any concerns, inform the TSA officer at the beginning of the screening process. Documentation. While not always required, having a doctor's note or a copy of your prescription can be helpful, especially for controlled substances or if you encounter any questions at security. Traveling internationally. If you are traveling internationally, check the regulations of your destination country regarding bringing liquid medications, as some countries may have specific restrictions. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a smoother experience when traveling with liquid medications. Always check the TSA website or contact them directly for the most current information. Being prepared and aware of TSA rules can help ensure a hassle-free travel experience. Medical devices and equipment. When traveling with these, it's essential to follow TSA guidelines for a smooth experience at security checkpoints. Here are the key points to remember. Notify TSA officers. Inform officers at the checkpoint about your medical devices to receive appropriate assistance. Screening process. Expect all medical devices to be screened either through X-ray or alternative methods like hand inspections. Original documentation. Carry documentation or prescriptions from your healthcare provider to validate the necessity of your medical devices. Packing devices. Keep medical devices easily accessible in your carry-on to facilitate inspection, and inform officers about larger equipment like wheelchairs or CPAP machines. Assistive devices. If you need supplemental oxygen or other assistive devices, check airline policies prior to traveling. Medications and supplies. Bring enough medications and supplies for your trip, plus extra in case of delays. Additional screening. Some devices may trigger alarms and require further checks by TSA officers. Emergency contacts. Keep your healthcare provider's contact information handy for any assistance needed during travel. Review airline policies. Different airlines may have specific rules regarding medical devices, so check their policies before your trip. Consider temperature sensitivity. It's crucial to be aware of the specific storage requirements for your medications, especially if they need to be kept at certain temperatures, such as refrigeration. To ensure their efficacy, plan ahead by checking the storage guidelines provided by your pharmacist or on the medication packaging. If you need to transport these medications, utilize insulated bags or cool packs to maintain the appropriate temperature. For longer trips, consider using a portable cooler or a temperature-controlled medication carrier. Always monitor the temperature inside the bag or cooler to ensure it remains within the recommended range, and avoid exposing the medications to extreme heat or cold for extended periods. This careful planning will help preserve the integrity of your medications and ensure they remain safe for use. Before you travel, compile a comprehensive list of local pharmacies, hospitals, and healthcare providers at your destination. This list should include their names, addresses, phone numbers, and operating hours. Additionally, research any specific services they offer, such as 24-hour emergency care or specialized medical treatments. Keep this information easily accessible on your phone or in a travel document so you can quickly reach out for assistance if you need to refill prescriptions or seek medical help during your trip. It's also wise to familiarize yourself with the local emergency numbers and procedures to ensure you can act swiftly in case of a medical emergency. Pack over-the-counter medications. Be sure to include a selection of over-the-counter medications that may be essential during your trip. Consider packing pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen for headaches or muscle aches. If you suffer from allergies, bring antihistamines to help alleviate symptoms. Additionally, include digestive aids such as antacids for heartburn or medications for upset stomachs, like loperamide or simethicone. It's also wise to carry any personal medications you might need, ensuring you have enough for the duration of your trip. Organizing these medications in a small labeled pouch can make them easy to access when needed. Stay informed about travel insurance. It's essential to research and understand the various travel insurance options available to you. Look for a policy that specifically covers medical needs, which includes coverage for unexpected medical emergencies, lost or stolen medication, and any necessary emergency medical care. Make sure to read the fine print to understand what is included in the coverage, such as trip cancellations, medical evacuations, and repatriation. Additionally, consider the policy limits and any exclusions that may apply. Having comprehensive travel insurance can provide peace of mind and financial protection during your travels, ensuring that you are prepared for any unforeseen circumstances that may arise. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to manage your medications while traveling. You can focus on enjoying your trip, knowing your health needs are taken care of. In summary, packing medication for travel in 2025 requires careful planning, attention to detail, and the right tools and strategies. By staying organized and prepared, you can avoid common challenges and ensure a smooth trip. To recap, the key points to remember are to plan ahead, research your destination, and use the right tools and strategies to simplify the process. If you have any tips or experiences to share, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to check out our next video on travel essentials for more tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe for more content on travel and beyond. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos, and we'll catch you in the next one.